So at this time, let's please give a warm welcome to Mark Schumacher.
Can I tell you guys, my biggest fear my first couple of years was when I'd get observed by my principal when he would come around. That always freaked me out. I started bribing my students. I would tell them, hey, you guys make me look good when the principal's in the room. Pizza party. Here's what we're gonna do. Anytime the principal's in the room, right, and I ask you guys a question, you're all gonna raise your hand. You raise your right hand if you know the answer. Left hand if you don't.
But I ask you this morning, what's your purpose as an educator? Because a lot of times we have these district slogans or our school mission statement, but what is it for you? Why are you in education? What's your purpose, right? So think about it, get kind of clear on it, okay? And remind yourself of it every day.
And I know you're not in education for the money. I know you're not. Can I tell you guys my very first year full-time teacher, a little over 10 years ago? This is true. I was paid $25,000 full-time. I don't know if that's similar to your fine district. I don't know if you guys are like, who's this rich guy coming and talking to us? But it was funny, I was talking to the principal that first year, and behind him on the wall was a chart with the earning potential, the different degrees. It said like PhD and master's. At the bottom it said high school dropouts can expect to make only $27,000 a year.
And the second point I would tell you guys, try to grow those relationships with your students, right? They want to know that you care. I do the first few minutes of the class, I'm taking an interest. I'm asking, hey, how did that soccer game go, right? How was that anatomy test that you were so nervous about? And when they invite you to things, whether it's a sports game or an Eagle Scout award, that's not the first thing you want to do on a Saturday, but you go, and sometimes you realize, hey, I'm the only person from school they invited. I'm an important person in their life.
I learned this, if you care about the kids, they'll care about you. Okay, so 2 years ago I got on the show Last Comic Standing, and they sent a film crew to film an entire day of me teaching, NBC Day. That all the kids were working on their tablet computers, right? One-to-one program, and they were working on just discussion questions. I'm walking around, and I see one kid, James, he's typing away. His computer screen is completely black. It's like, hey James, what's going on? And he whispers to me, he's like, hey, my computer's dead. But I didn't want to ruin your big day. He's like, found it.
And then I'm going to give you homework. What's something you're going to do this year, right, to improve your teaching, to accomplish that educational purpose? Because a lot of times we go into the school year, we have these ideas, oh, I'm going to do this, and then we get going and we're like, we're out of time, right? So I ask you guys to commit to something. What are you going to do to improve yourself as a teacher? Because we've had a lot of fun, had a lot of laughs, but if we don't do anything different, we don't improve or get clear on our educational purpose and improve any of our teaching methods, it's kind of a waste of time. So I ask you guys to commit to something and share it. Hold yourself accountable, share it with a partner. I want to wish you guys a great year. Thanks so much for having me.